Bro, are your curly hair getting ruined by frizz and dryness? Not sure what to do about it? In the next 6 minutes, your curls will be completely transformed. Curly hair, with its shine and bounce, is every guy's dream. But in reality, it becomes a nightmare because of frizz and dryness. Does managing your hair feel like a struggle every morning? Don't worry. A simple, scientifically proven routine will completely change your curls. Ready? To get perfect curls, you just need to follow 4 simple steps, and the results will be like you've just stepped out of a salon. But listen carefully, if you miss the first step, the whole routine will fail. The first step is the foundation for your curls, and without it, frizz and dryness will never go away. Can you guess what the first step is? It's something every curly-haired person gets wrong, and that's why their look feels incomplete. Step 1. Sulfate-free shampoo. This is the most important foundation for your curls. Sulfates, found in regular shampoos, strip your hair of its natural moisture, which only increases frizz and dryness. On the other hand, sulfate-free shampoo is gentle and protects the hydration in your curls, keeping them soft and manageable. If you've been making this mistake until now, it's time to make the switch. But just changing the shampoo isn't enough. After shampooing, there's one more step that every curly-haired person ignores. And this step literally changes the entire game for your curls. Want to know what it is? I'll reveal the secret in the next part. Step 2. Understanding the right way to use conditioner is crucial. A lot of people apply conditioner only to their scalp, which is a big mistake. Conditioner should be applied only to the lengths and ends of your hair, because that's where your curls need hydration the most. This will make your curls soft, shiny, and defined. One more thing, let the conditioner sit for a while so that the ingredients can properly absorb into your hair. But it doesn't stop here. The next step is the magic touch that will completely transform your curls. Want to know what it is? Stay tuned. Step 3. Drying your hair with a towel. This is the biggest mistake that causes frizz and damage to curly hair. The rough fibers of a towel distort the natural curl pattern. So what should you do? Use a microfiber towel or a soft cotton t-shirt. It gently dries your curls, controls frizz, and maintains their definition. And that's not all. The next step is what gives your curls rock-solid perfection. Trust me, this is a game changer. Step 4. The right use of curl cream is key to keeping your curls defined and hydrated. But using it incorrectly can ruin the whole look. Always apply cream on wet hair, and make sure it's evenly distributed, never at the roots. Work the cream in sections and scrunch it into your hair. This will make your curls light and bouncy, not sticky. Now, let's talk about drying using a diffuser as an art. A regular blow dryer can make your curls frizzy, but a diffuser maintains your curls' natural pattern. Gently place your hair into the diffuser and dry it on low heat and speed. This way, your curls will stay soft and shiny. Mastering this step is the final touch for your curls. Try it out next time, and let me know your feedback. Enjoy your curl transformation. Now your curls are ready to shine in the spotlight, soft, defined, and salon-worthy. Follow this routine, and you'll feel the difference yourself. Let me know in the comments, which step was your favorite? If you want more hacks and tips to take your curly hair game to the next level, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And hey, share this with your curly-haired friends, so their look can be on point too.